Sant Garib Das Ji was the fourth Gaddi Nashin of Dera Sant Sarwan Das Ji, Sachkhand Balla, district Jalandhar. He inherited a rich legacy of spirituality as well as social service to the community from his predecessor saints of the Dera, that is Sri 108 Baba People Das Ji, leading light of the Dera Sri 108 Sant Sarwan Das Ji and Sri 108 Sant Haridas Ji. He faithfully carried forward this legacy. Sant Garib Das Ji was born in the year 1925 in a village called Jalbhe, district Jalandhar, to Father Nanak Chand Ji and Mother Harkaur Ji. When he was only 6 months old, his father expired. After this tragic incident, his mother took care of the little child. He was the youngest of 5 brothers. When he was still a young boy, he started assisting his family members in their job of silk weaving, which they were doing in Basti Jodhewal, Ludhiana. He did this job for some years. In the meantime, he heard from the village elders about Sant Sarwan Das Ji of Dera Sachkhand Balla. He started visiting the Dera during this period. The teachings and ideology of Sant Sarwan Das Ji impressed him greatly. So he started coming to the Dera more often and also started staying in the Dera for longer periods. Within a short period, he won the heart of Sant Sarwan Das Ji. One day when he was still at Ludhiana, he was summoned to the Dera by Sant Sarwan Das Ji for some urgent work. Without wasting any time, he reached the Dera. There he was instructed to remain in the Dera from then on. He humbly followed the instructions of Sant Sarwan Das Ji. He very obediently prostrated at the feet of Sant Sarwan Das Ji and vowed to devote his whole life to the service of the Almighty God and His people. Apart from delving into the Bani of Guru Ravidas Ji, he learnt to prepare Ayurvedic medicines and treated many patients with various ailments. The young boy had now grown in wisdom and stature under the patronage of Sant Sarwan Das Ji and in the company of Sant Haridas Ji. Swami Sarwan Das Ji used to entrust him with many jobs of responsibility.
बाबा वीरदास महाराज जी बनारस में जा रहे.
One such responsibility entrusted to him by Sant Sarwan Das Ji was the construction of a mandir at the birthplace of Guru Ravidas Ji at Sir Govardhanpur, Varanasi. Earlier, Sant Haridas Ji had laid down the foundation stone of this temple on 14th June 1965. Sant Garib Das Ji used to lead a team of Dera Sevadars to Varanasi for the construction work. But the weather and other working conditions there were very difficult and challenging. The place was undeveloped, without an approach passage, and it was a Herculean task to manually carry construction material to the site from a considerable distance. But the Sevadars' devotion, dedication, and their aspirations surmounted the adverse conditions. The first phase of the temple was completed in 1972. Many saints from Punjab accompanied Sant Garib Das Ji to Banaras for the inauguration ceremony in 1974. A murti of Guru Ravidas Ji was installed in the mandir on this occasion. Simultaneously, a murti of Sant Sarvandas Ji was also installed in the mandir as a token of recognition of his contribution in giving our community an elegant mandir at the birthplace of our Guru. After Sant Sarvandas Ji left for his heavenly abode on 11th June 1972, Sant Haridas Ji became the Gaddi Nashin of the Dera. Sant Garib Das Ji continued to serve Sant Haridas Ji in the same fervor with full devotion. Sant Haridas Ji left for his heavenly abode on 6th February 1982. Consequently, Sant Garib Das Ji became Gaddi Nashin of the Dera on 7th February 1982. He continued the tradition of healing the sick souls with dua as well as dawa, prayers as well as Ayurvedic medicine. Maharaj Garib Das Ji also attended many Shobha Yatras on the occasion of Guru Ravidas Ji's birthdays. To perpetuate the memory of his Guru, he thought of constructing a hospital in order to provide medical aid to the poor people. A milestone in the history of the Dera Sachkhand Bal was achieved on 20th October 1982 when Sant Garib Das Ji laid the foundation stone of Sant Sarvan Das Charitable Hospital at village Dhepur, Kupur, Adda Kathar. This hospital made a humble beginning with its inauguration on 1st January 1984 with the construction of a small dispensary and a residence for the doctor. But the expansion of the hospital was a passion for Maharaj Garib Das Ji. Usefulness of the hospital to the people resulted in increased demand of the public for adding more facilities. These demands further necessitated the expansion, which was carried out in a phased manner. A major expansion was done when a 3-story building having an operation theatre as well as indoor wards was inaugurated on 7th February 1992 on the Barsi Samagam of Sant Haridas Ji. Some staff quarters were also constructed. Facilities like overhead water tank, X-ray machine, laboratory, diesel generator, etc. had been added earlier. With the generous donations from followers of the Dera, from within as well as from abroad, today this hospital has grown into a 150-bed hospital providing quality service in 8 specialities at very nominal rates to the people who cannot afford cost